from R.D. Sharma, class 7th mathematics. In that chapter number 4, rational number, topic is representation of rational number on the number line. Let us see how to represent the number of rational number on number line. Let us see with an example. Now example 1, 3 by 5. Now how to draw this 3 by 5? I am drawing number line. Okay, number line. Here -1, 0, 1. Okay, here positive number 3 by 5 is there. So first we have to make the part whichever the denominator number, which is mean total number. Okay, total number means you will have to make a part between 0 and 1, 5 parts. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts we had make it. Okay, now 0 is 0 upon 5. After that 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 and 1 means 5 upon 5 equal to 1. That means 1 only. Now we have to indicate 3 upon 5 over here. So 3 upon 5 will come this. This means 3 upon 5. We have to just note it down. Now second example. Let us see -1 upon 3. Okay, -1 upon 3 we have to note. Now let us draw the number line. Number line -1, 0 and 1. Now total part is 3 and it is negative. So this side we have to draw between -1 and 0. Total part 3. So we have to make 3 parts. So 1, 2 and 3. This is 0 upon 3. Okay. -1 upon 3. -2 upon 3 and -3 upon 3 is equal to -1 only. So what we have to indicate? -1 upon 3. So here it is -1 upon 3. If it is minus, then we have to go on left side, and if it is plus means positive number, so we have to go on right side. Now let us see with an exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6, draw the number line and represent the following rational number on it. Now first one we had given 2 by 3. Okay, on number line we have to represent. So let us do it. First question is 2 by 3. So draw the number line first. Okay, that is -1, 0 and 1. Now it is positive number, so between 0 and 1. So how much partition we have to do? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. 2 by 3 we have to indicate. So here it is 2 by 3. Now we will do fourth one. Question is -5 by 8. -5 by 8. Okay, I am drawing number line. Number line. Here it is -1, 0 and 1. Okay, between -1, 0 it will come -5 upon 8 because it is negative number. Now how many partition we have to do? 8. So 8 partition we will do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, equal partition you have to do. Now this is 7. So 0 upon 8, -1 upon 8, -2 upon 8, -3 upon 8, -4 upon 8, -5 upon 8, -6 upon 8, -7 upon 8 and -8 upon 8, which is -1 only. right? Now which number we have to indicate? Minus 5 upon 8. So here it is minus 5 upon 8. Now sixth question, which is minus 7 by 3. Now we have to draw the number line. Let us draw it. Okay. Now here negative number, so 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now negative number, now total partition is 3, so 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. So 0 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3. Now here till minus 2 upon 3 only there. So we have to go minus 3 upon, we have to go between minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, now we will continue over there. Here also the 3 part. Okay, 3 part, minus 3, so minus 4 upon 3, minus 5 upon 3 and minus 6 upon 3. Again we have to continue between minus 2 and minus 3. So I am extending this line from here. So here it is minus 3. So between minus 2 and minus 3 also we have to make 3 parts. So here it is 3 part. Now minus 6. So minus 7 upon 3, minus 8 upon 3 and minus 9 upon 3. Okay. If you didn't get between 0 and 1, minus 1, so you have to go between minus 1 and minus 2. If you didn't get over here also that rational number, then we have to go in the next column, which is minus 2 and minus 3. So our number is minus 7 upon 3. So it is here minus 7 upon 3. Okay. Same way we have to continue. If you didn't get over here also, so minus 3 in between minus 4. But you have to make only 3 parts. Understood? Now let us see 7th one, which is, question is 22 upon minus 7. Now 22 upon minus 7 we have to draw. Let us draw first number line. Okay. So it is here 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now minus number is there, so we have to go on left side. So how many part we have to do? 7. So we have to make 7 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 we got. Okay. 0 means 0 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. All are minus. Okay. Negative number, so we have to keep minus sign. And minus 7 upon 7. Now here we didn't get 22, right? So we'll continue in minus 1 and minus 2. Again we have to make part of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now continue with minus 8 upon 7, minus 9 upon 7, minus 10 upon 7, minus 11 upon 7, minus 12 upon 7, minus 13 upon 7 and minus 14 upon 7, which is 2. Now here also we didn't get the number 22. Then we have to go in minus 2 and minus 3. So same way 7 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now minus 14. So minus 15 upon 7, minus 16 upon 7, minus 17 upon 7, minus 18 upon 7, minus 19 upon 7, minus 20 upon 7 and minus 21 upon 7, which is 3. Here also we didn't get, so we'll go through another. So minus 3, between minus 3 and minus 4. Again 7 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 22 upon 7, minus 23 upon 7, minus 24 upon 7, minus 25 upon 7, minus 26 upon 7, minus 27 upon 7, and minus 28 upon 7. Now we get 22. So put here round. So minus 22 upon 7 we got it. Now see question number 2. Which of the rational number in each of the following pair of rational number is greater? Now which rational number is greater, we have to mark it. Okay. Now first of all, here it is that minus 3 upon 8 and 0. Here 0 is always greater than negative number. So we can write here only minus 3 upon 8 is less than 0. 5 upon 2, 0. Now negative number is always greater than 0. So which one is greater? 5 upon 2 is greater than 0. Now third one, minus 4 upon 11 and minus 3 upon 11. Both the denominators same. Here negative and this is positive. So negative number is always less than positive. So minus 4 upon 11 is less than 3 upon 11. Now here minus 7 upon 12, 5 upon minus 8. Now this one we have to do in your notebook, because this we have to make the denominator same. Let us do it. Here we have to find which one is greater. Okay, so I am writing here minus 7 upon 12 and minus in the between and minus 8 upon minus 5 upon 8. I am take same, it is also negative and this is also negative, so same one, so no need to worry. Now we have to make the LCM same. So we'll take out the LCM. 12, 8. Okay, so 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 2 3 are 2 are 2 3 and 1 and 3 1s. Now what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So LCM equal to 24. Now here we have to make 24. So 2 into 12 into 2 is 24, 2 2s are 4 and 24, yes. And 8 into 3 is 24. So therefore minus 7 2s are 14 upon 24 and 3 5s are minus 15 upon 24. Now which one is greater? Minus 14 upon 24 is greater, because after first come 14, then after come 15. So minus 14 upon 24 is greater than minus 15 upon 24. Therefore original number is minus 7 upon 12 is greater than minus 5 minus 8. Okay, that's your answer. See the fifth one, 4 upon minus 9 and minus 3 upon minus 7. So minus minus cancel, so this become positive. So 4 upon minus 9 is less than minus 3 upon minus 7. Seventh one, 5 upon 9 and minus 3 upon minus 8. Now here also minus minus cancel, so both the become positive. Now here we have to make the LCM same. So let us do it. Now here 5 upon 9 and minus 3 upon minus 8. Minus minus cancel. So what we will write? 5 upon 9 and 3 upon 8. Now we'll take out the LCM. 9 and 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 2. 1s are 3. 3s are and 3 1s are. Okay. Now this is your LCM. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are is 72. Therefore LCM equal to 72. Now we have to multiply this 9 by 8 and 8 by 9. So what will become? 5 into 8 is 40 upon 72 and 9 into 3 is 27 upon 72. Now which one is greater? 40 upon 72 is greater, obvious. So let us write down. Therefore 40 upon 72 is greater than 27 upon 72. Therefore 5 upon 9 is greater than minus 3 upon minus 8. So that's your answer. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3. Which of the two rational number in each of the following pair of the rational number smaller? Now here we have to find greater. Now this one we have to find smaller. Okay, which one is smaller? First of all, we'll take out minus minus cancel. Okay, so 6 upon 13 and 7 upon 13. Which one is smaller? Obviously 6 upon 13 is smaller than 7 upon 13. Now here 16 upon minus 5 and 3. Now 3 upon 1 is the positive number and this is negative. So 3 is greater. So 16 upon minus 5 is less than 3. Here minus 4 upon 3 and 8 upon minus 7. This we have to take out the LCM. Let us do it. Now if we write 8 upon minus 7 as minus 8 upon 7, both are same. So now first we have to take out LCM, which is 21 7 into 3 and 7 into 3 and 3 into 7. Therefore 7 4 is minus 28 upon 21 and minus 8 3 are 24 upon 21. Which one is smaller? Minus 28. Therefore minus 28 upon 21 is less than minus 24 upon 21. Therefore minus 4 upon 3 is less than 8 upon minus 7. Now fourth one. Minus 12 upon 5 and minus 3. Both are negative. Now here nothing means denominator 1. Okay. Now we have to take out LCM, which is 5. Okay. So multiply by 1 and multiply by 5. Therefore minus 12 upon 5 and minus 15 upon 5. So which one is less? Minus 3. Right. Therefore minus 12 upon 5 is greater than minus 15 upon 5. Therefore minus 12 upon 5 is greater than minus 3. So which one is smaller number? Minus 3. Question number 4. Filling the blanks by the correct symbol out of. Now first one, minus 6 upon 7 dash 7 upon 13. Now this is negative and this is positive. So positive is always greater than negative. So minus 6 upon 7 is less than 7 upon 13. Now second one, minus 3 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 6. Now here both the negative number and the denominator also different. So what we have to do? First we have to make the denominator same. Then after that we have to write the answer. Now whichever you had given the question, first of all see that both number are negative or positive. If they are negative positive, then negative is written. Okay. And if they are both the signs are same, then we have to make the denominator same. So let us do it. Denominator different, we have to make the LCM. LCM is 30, right? So 5 6 are 30 and 6 5 are 30. Now do it. Minus 6 into 3 is minus 18 upon 30 dash minus 5 into 5 is 25 upon 30. Now here which one is greater? Minus 18 or minus 25? Minus 18 is greater. So answer is minus 3 upon 5 greater than minus 5 upon 6. So let us fill this. Minus 3 upon 5 is greater than minus 5 upon 6. Fourth one, 0 dash minus 2 upon 5. Now 0 is always greater than negative number, so 0 is greater than minus 2 upon 5. Question number 5. Arrange the following rational number in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Now here this is negative number, means positive number. Okay, this is also minus cancel, this is positive number, this is negative, and this is also Question number 5. First one, 3 upon 5, minus 17 upon minus 30, 8 upon minus 15, and minus 7 upon 10. Now if we'll cancel this, so how we have to write? 3 upon 5, 17 upon 30. Now if we'll write 8 upon minus 15 as here minus 8 upon 15 and minus 7 upon 10. All the denominator we have to make the same first. So for that we have to make out the LCM. So LCM will take out for 5, 30, 15 and 10. For all we have to make out LCM. So for the 5, first of all we will take 2, 5 as it is, 3 ones are 2 ones are 2 and 5s are 15 as it is, and 5s are. Now with 3, 5, 15, 3 5s are 5s are 5s are, and 5 1s are 1s are 1s are and 1s are. So LCM is, therefore LCM equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, LCM is 30. Now 5 into 6, 30 into 1, 15 into 2 and 10 into 3 we have to multiply. So therefore 6 3s are 18 upon 30, 17 1s are 17 upon 30, minus 8 into 2 is 16 upon 30, and minus 17 into 3 is minus 21 upon 30. Now we have to make in ascending order. So ascending order means smaller number come first. So minus 21 upon 30 first, minus 16 upon 30, then minus 17 upon 30 and 18 upon 30. Okay, now we have to write like this number. Therefore minus 21 is minus 7 upon 10, minus 16 is 8 upon minus 15, then 17 is minus 17 upon minus 30 and 3 upon 5. Okay, now let us do the question number 2. Second one, minus 4 upon 9, 5 upon minus 12, 7 upon minus 18 and 2 upon minus 3. Okay. Now this we have to do. Now let us write first minus 4 upon 9. This will take denominator as positive. Okay, so minus will write upper side. So minus 5 upon 12, minus 7 upon 18 and minus 2 upon 3. Now we will take out the LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3. So 9, 12, 18, 3. 2, 9 as it is, 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 and 3. 2, 9, 3s are 6, 9 and 3. 3 3s are 9, 1, 3, 1. And again 3 1s are 1s are 1s are and 1s are. Okay. Now what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So here 9 how many is 36? 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36 and 3 12s are 36. Now we have to multiply with 4, so minus 4 4s are 16 upon 36 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 36 minus 7 2s are 14 upon 36 and 12 into 2 is 24 minus 24 upon 36. Now we can write in ascending order. So first will come minus 24 upon 36, then minus 16 upon 36, after that 15 upon 36 and minus 14 upon 36. Now last we have to write the numbers, this one. Okay, therefore minus 24 is last one, 2 upon minus 3, minus 16 is first one, minus 4 upon 9, minus 15 is second, 5 upon minus 12 and last one is 7 upon minus 18 is the answer. Now last question number 6. Arrange the following rational number in the descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller. Question number 6. First one 7 upon 8, 64 upon 16, 36 upon minus 12, 5 upon minus 4, 140 upon 28. Now this minus I will write here. Okay, so 7 upon 8, 64 upon 16, 36 upon 12 minus 5 upon 4, 140 upon 28. Now this we have to take out LCM. So LCM of 8, 16, 12, 4 and 28. With 2 will start. So 2 4s are 8s are 6s are 2s are 14s are 2 2s are 4 3 1 7 2 1 2 3 1 7 2 1 1 3 1 7 then 3 1 1 1 1 7 then 7 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, now multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 20, 48, 48 7s are LCM equal to 336. This is the LCM. Now with 8 we have to make 336, so multiply with 42, 16 with 21, 12 with 28, 4 with 84 and 28 with 12. Okay, now 7 into 42 is 294 upon 336, 1344 upon 336. 36 into 28 is 1008 upon 336, minus 5 into 84 is minus 420 upon 336 and 140 into 12 is 1680 upon 336. Now with this we have to write descending order. So 1680 upon 336, then 1344 upon 336, 294 upon 336 minus 420 upon 336, then last one is minus 1008 upon 336. Now we have to write in question form. So answer is 140 upon 28, 64 upon 16, 7 upon 8, 5 upon minus 4 and 36 upon minus 12 is the answer. Now question number 7. Which of the statement are true? The rational number 29 upon 23 lies on the left side of 0 on the number line. Now 29, 0 and 1 it is. Okay, here minus 1. 29 is positive. So positive lies in right side. So first one is false. The rational number minus 12 upon minus 17 lies on the left side, 0 on the number line. False again. Why? Minus minus cancel. So it is positive number. Positive number lies on right side, so it is false. The rational number 3 by 4 lies to the right of the 0 on the number line. True. It is positive number, so it is lies on right side. The rational number minus 12 by 5 and minus 7 by 17 are the opposite side of 0 on the number line. True, because minus 7 upon 17 lies on left side and minus 12 upon 5 lies on right side, so it is opposite side. That one is true. The rational number minus 21 upon 5 and 7 upon minus 31 are opposite side of the 0. False. Why? See, now this is also negative and this is also negative. Both negative numbers always lies on left side of the 0. Here it is written opposite side, so it is false. The rational number minus 3 upon 5 is on the right side of minus 4 on the number. The rational number minus 3 upon minus 5. Okay, this is positive. Is on the right of minus 5 upon 7 on the number line. True. This is positive negative number. It is lies on left side. And this is positive number. This lies on right side. So it is true. Thank you for watching this video.